Hi, thank you for coming back to the follow-up video, Muslin, our digital draping method of gravity sketch. We left off taping the mannequins with key landmark lines: the apex at the chest, the waistline, the high hip, and the low hip. And what we're going to do now is set up for surfacing guidelines, and this includes the yellow lines, the princess line here, the line just in between the princess line and the side seam, the back princess line, and also the middle line just between the princess line in the back and the side seam. Both the vertical lines in yellow and the horizontal lines in black will help you see where to put your controllers when draping down vertically and pulling your edge lines around the mannequin. And as we start draping, we're starting at the center front, just like you would be draping on a real form, pinning the muslin fabric to the center front. And as we start draping across the grain line, we're extruding the edges all the way across the body, while ensuring the control handles are snapping to each other for a secure connection. Also notice the edges that we're pulling down or across the body, we're matching the placement of the yellow and black lines we taped on the mannequin. So let's pop this thing into edit mode and toggle the mirror button. We'll close this up at center front, and again extrude up or pull the fabric towards the shoulder seam, and again place the edges that match the yellow or black lines. So let's lower the opacity of the surfacing, and so far we can see the horizontal and the yellow vertical lines and show you how the topography is matching the tape dummy lines. The surfacing guidelines are also there as reference, so they don't have to be placed just perfectly when you're surfacing around the dummy. And just like draping on a real dummy, we're going to start out with the center back and start pulling the edges again across the back of the body. We also wanted to show you that we can drape with opacity lower just to see the direct relationship between what you're surfacing or draping and the dummy that you're draping around. In other words, this will help you in real time kind of gauge the kind of fit that you are going after in real time without really going up and down with the opacity all the time. And as we close up the center back, let's close up the side seam. And thank you for watching Muslin, our digital draping method. This will be the draping foundation before any dynamic surfacing happens that will help create a clean topography for your garment designs. Thanks for watching. Take care.